Everyone is obsessed with competitors. How do I beat them? How do I stand out? How do I do better? You don't need to be better than 10 competitors. You need to be obviously better than one. Most founders don't lose because competitors are stronger. They lose because they look the same. Same offers, same messaging, same boring positioning. And then they wonder why nobody chooses them. Let me show you how to actually win. Step by step. Hi guys, I'm Teodora. Welcome back to my channel. I work with founders building scalable and repeatable revenue as a sales strategist. I also help them with LinkedIn positioning. And I'm founder of Hot Take, LinkedIn comments and engagement engine. Today we're breaking something very simple. How to beat your competitors. For real. Pick one competitor. First step. Stop looking at the whole market. Pick one competitor. Just one. Because if you try to beat everyone, you become generic. Study them like crazy. What are they telling? Who are they targeting? How are they selling? And then ask yourself, where are they weak? Because there's always something. Step 2. Do one thing 10 times better. You don't need to be better at everything. You need one unfair advantage. Maybe your messaging is clearer. Maybe your process is faster. Maybe your offer is simpler. Maybe your communication is more human. Maybe companies try to be sold at everything. That's how you disappear. Pick one thing, dominate it. Step 3. Say it aloud. This is where most people fail. Even if they are doing better, nobody knows. Your positioning needs to scream. This is why you choose me, not we help businesses grow. Please don't do this. Be specific, be bold, be a little uncomfortable, because safe messaging is invisible brand. Step 4. Make it easy to buy from you. Your competition is not just another companies. Your competition is confusion. If people don't understand what you do, who it's for, what they get, they won't buy. Even if you're amazing, clarity wins deals, not complexity. Step 5. Be consistent more than them. This one is boring, but this one wins. Most people quit too early. They post 2 times, they send 10 messages, they try one strategy and stop. Your edge, you don't stop. So what do you think? Did you ever try something like this? Or are you still trying to be better than everyone? If you're not doing this, I hope you're ready to change your strategy. See you in the next one, and write me in the comments what you want to see more on this channel. I'm reading everything. Bye!